We're real estate agents. Of course we have a cool car with a personalised plate.
We're real estate agents. Of course we've got 50 million keys and we don't know what house they're for.
We're real estate agents. Of course we have our signs and faces plastered everywhere.
We're real estate agents. Of course we're not afraid to answer calls with no caller ID. Hello, Nick speaking. How can I help? We're real estate agents.
Why are you stalking me? Excuse me? Hey! Hey! Ow. What is that about? Excuse me, stop it. What? Excuse me. You don't need to attack people. Oh, thank you. That's nice, boy. I'm off to meet Mikey. He has bought an e-bike. So apparently it goes like 80 Ks, which is or like 100 or something. So I'm gonna go meet him. He's just bought it and see what it's like. Wow, we're a electric family now with the toys. So good. Oh, it looks cool.
We're away now.
Wow. 80 Ks? Sport mode? In the rain. Getting held up by little bits. Oh, so good. Oh, so good. Oh, it's coming up fast. We're going like 50. Are we an e-bike family now?
That's fast.
What's the modes you've got there?
Eco, sport, just leave it in sport.
So, Mikey went for a little rip on the e-bike because it stopped raining, and I just had a call from him thinking he'd had an accident, and he said, grab the Hilux keys, bring the Hilux. He's had a flat tire, he's already popped the tire. Oh, so good. So we're just picking him up now so we can put it in the tray. The Hilux. We'll get a little rip while we're here, eh? Oh yeah. Love the Hilux. A little workhorse doing her jobs today.
Think of you. Yeah.